Alright, am I going to see who these are? I can't see. Yeah.
Hi, Jacob. How are you? Are you okay?
Alright, yeah. Are you up here again, just like last year?
Pardon?
Are you up here again, like last year, yeah? How do you know it's me? How do you know it's me? Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? I don't know.
Oh, my eyes.
I think...
I can take the pain.
Who is it? Am I going to see who it is? I see who it is. Who is it? I have no idea who it is.
Hello.
Alright.
Hey, yeah.
Jack.
Yeah.
Who is it? Who is it? I can't see.
Carly, Jenny, Beth, me, and Anna.
Oh, I knew it. I knew it.
Shining lights.
I'm getting. I don't even lift my leg that high.
Very crazy. Phil, you know what? I'm good. You know what? I'm good. I think. Who is it? I better get going. Yeah, I better get going. I'll stay here for half of it, then I'm gonna film. Who is it? Who is it? I better find out.
Stop it! It's not Carly.
I failed! It's going down! I
You know what? And also, I'm gonna be filming whoever. I'm gonna film everyone. You know what? Go up here around here. Go on, many. We're gonna see. I'll find out who it is after the fireworks. I better get going. I'll be back. Who is it? There's sirens and spotlights going on. Spotlights.
Did you just say that's
I hope. You know what? I'm gonna be back later too. Yeah. You know what? We got a lot of people everywhere. You know what? We got a lot of people everywhere. Got Jack, Honor, something. Got many. Woo! Who's it? You'll find out who it is. I'm Jacob Lewis. I'm gonna be filming.
Hi. How are you doing?
I'll be filming Friends. We could be back over here later. You know I'm gonna be. See you later. Yeah. I'll come back here later.
Okay.
I'll come back here. I might come back here later to. I might come back here later to film. All of yous.
Okay then, yeah. I'll see you later.
See you later. I'll be back later. See you later. I hope I don't go in front of the fireworks again like I did last year. I think. We're filming a bit longer video. Need to try and find them now. Try and find them. Try and find the family. Where are they? Where are they gone? Where's they got to? Where are they gone? What? I want to find. Film at the spotlight. Quick spotlight. Hiya. Hiya. I was over there again for a bit, then I was looking for you.
He just doesn't think
I saw it.
hello.
Boy, because they're for an extra 15 minutes after the fireworks. I mean, like so I can film people, talk, a little talk. So I can have a film, we'll have a little talk before we go, please.
No.
Please. I am doing it. Matthew. Alright. Alright. Hi. How long are the fireworks going on for? Half an hour? I might stay for 10 minutes. You're alright. I'm alright. I might come back here, then go there, come back here and talk to him.
Harry!
I can't believe it.
If I was an apple pie, the apples inside would be orange. That's how much I am.
Look at that one.
If I was an apple pie, the apples inside would be orange. That's how much I am.
Split it.
I'm not just great. I've got 7 businesses. I'm only 14 years old. I can fly. I'm the best worker in this whole process. I'm gonna win. Stop it. You're missing the flavor.
I say we've joined a video club called lovefilm.com.